Welcome to Math Plus, where math makes sense. This video is part of a sequential playlist of 10 videos where you can teach your young children, as early as 2 or 3 years old, how to count to 20. There's all kinds of different ways to do it. So this is an instruction video for you as a parent and fun ways that you can, throughout the day, work with your child and teach them how to count to 20. They do not have to be shown in any order. Some of them are skip counting, some are counting backwards, some of them are writing. You can also, one video is about different interactive games. They all can be played in any order. To access the full playlist, there's a link above. You can click that, you can see all 10 videos, or you can wait till the end of the video and it will be on the end screen there as well. Let's get started. Review, and reinforce. And like I said, and always bring it up a level once they've mastered it. I can't express this enough. Just because they do it once doesn't mean they're going to remember. I have seen kids that can take a test. You'll teach them how to do something and they'll take a test, or can you count to 20? Sure. And then 2 weeks later come back. If you haven't been reinforcing it and practicing it, then they may forget because they are children and there's other things on their mind, just like there's other things on your mind. So keep reinforcing, keep counting, and keep bringing it up a level. Now, should you do worksheets? Absolutely. While homeschooling doesn't have to have your child sitting at a desk doing paperwork all day, it is important that they learn how to do worksheets and how to be able to sit up at a desk and work, because when they write, there's a proper way to sit. You're not laying all over the floor, right? There are some times that we have to get into our little school mode, if that makes sense, but not all day long. So with all of these things, I have included some worksheets, but with this skill, you can go, like I said, to the Dollar Tree, to Walmart, and buy those workbooks where it has learning your numbers 1 to 20. They're out there. The educational workbooks are out there. When the kids are younger, you don't really have to get a full curriculum unless it makes you feel more comfortable, but you can get everything pretty much you need by Googling it, finding worksheets. You've got some here that'll help, or those workbooks at the store. All right, I hope this was helpful. If there's anything you need, anything that was confusing, or you want more information, always go back to that Facebook group and ask. That's what we're here for. We are here to provide you and empower you so that you can teach your child at home.